Welcome to the KF7P Metalworks display for Visalia, California at the DX Convention 2016. Wanted to do a quick video showing the product I've got with me so that those of you at home that aren't here can see what I have got. We've got a few new t-shirts with some clever signs on them. A lot of Alpha Delta product. Of course, a lot of my ferrite for making chokes. Moving down, we have a lot of Morgan Manufacturing arresters for control cables, coax lines, Ethernet, almost everything you could possibly need. I've got a new line of product. It's my own brand. It's called Ground HQ, and it is all kinds of grounding fixtures for towers, copper ground rod clamps, copper strap, ground buses, lots of neat stuff. Here's what one of them looks like mounted on the tower, on a tower leg for a crank-up tower. It has a bulkhead connectors on there so you can ground your coaxes at the bottom of the tower like you're supposed to. Some Alpha Delta products, the Alpha Delta Universal Copper Ground Rod Clamp, along with a ground rod clamp underneath it with some strap on there. Shat ground bars and some books. And now my boxes. Entry panel boxes and junction boxes. This is a new line I'm working on. It's called the Interceptor series. It has a copper shelf built into it, or a bridge, that'll handle more Morgan units. And it'll allow more of the coax units underneath it to save space. 6 inches deep. This one will hold, this is a medium, and this one will hold up to 6 coax units and 3 control line units. Of course, we can do grommets in the bottom, or we can also do conduit in the bottom if you want to run conduit into the box. And here we have a little small in a gray color, gray powder coat paint with a copper sheet in it, of course. And a white box, all the colors of paint that I carry. And this one is called Dark Beige. And it has the hole in the back corner so that your cables can go through the wall into the house. And the grommets in the bottom for your cables to go in. Now let's take a look over here at the tower equipment. Of course, I have my safety stand platform, so you can do your maintenance at the level at the top of the first section of tower. And my coax arms hold the coax on a crank-up tower. And this is an antenna standoff arm with 2 pulleys, so you can raise up a wire antenna. And then on the table, this is a new product I'm working on. This is a platform, or a mounting point for an electric hoist for a crank-up tower, so you can get rid of that hand drive winch and put an electric hoist on your tower. It'll work on nearly any brand of crank-up tower. Next to it is a mast step, and then of course my yellow jack product, and a tower pulley block that you use with a gin pole, so that your ground crew is pulling away from the tower, and that rope would go up to the gin pole. Thanks for watching.